Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I tried to do the 10-minute makeup challenge. I wanted to challenge myself and see if I can actually do it. This is a look that I came up with. I completely failed. I was just tired of looking like a bum around the house lately, and I decided to put some kind of makeup on. Look at this eyeshadow. It's not even blended out. Like, one's higher than the other. I'm out of words, really. Nonetheless, this was definitely fun to do. I encourage you all to try this out and definitely give yourself a challenge. So if you guys want to see how much I failed in this 10-minute makeup challenge, then just keep on watching. Okay, the real question is it cheating if I have all my stuff here? I don't think so. Alright, here goes. I'm going to try to do the 10-minute makeup challenge. I have my makeup kit in front of me, but I don't have any products out, so I'm not going to try to cheat. So I'm just going to set my timer for 10 minutes and we are going to see how that goes. Ooh, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I don't even know what kind of look we're going to end up with, but let's just see. Alright, 10 minutes. Here we go. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, I'm just going to put some Fix Plus just to kind of set my makeup. I've already applied moisturizer before I started filming. I'm just going to take some foundation. This is the Dose of Colors. And I'm just going to take this with my kabuki brush and blend this all across my face. I'm going to try my best to kind of keep you guys entertained, but at the same time, I kind of want to look decent after this 10-minute mark. Alright, 9 minutes and 27 seconds. Okay. Thank God my skin is not as bad as it used to be. I don't have to wear as much product. So I'm just not gonna go super crazy. I'm just going to apply this as evenly as I can across my face, just so that I don't have to add any more makeup than I need to. Okay. Alright, I think I'm kind of blended out. Okay, 8 minutes. What the freak? Why do I feel like the time is like against me when normally I'm not freaking out as much when I have like 10 to 15 minutes time to get ready. Alright, just taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and it's in Custard. Just gonna do a little bit of that. I'm also gonna take my Beauty Blender, spray a little bit of Fix Plus, nothing crazy, and just blend. Okay, my kids are fighting. What? I feel like they know when I'm filming. That's when everyone wants to be the loudest. But I swear, any other time, they're tamed and quiet. Alright, I'm just gonna blend this because I'm tired of looking tired, okay? Oh my God, I'm about to yell at my kids soon. Let's just hope I can pass this 10-minute mark. Okay, and I think I am good with this. Alright, next I'm just going to set my concealer. I'm just going to take Mercier's translucent powder per usual, and I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush and just do some setting. Goodness, I really wanted to do my brows within this 10 minutes. I don't even think I'm going to do it, but we shall see. We shall see. Okay. Usually when I go to the gym, after I work out, I have time to shower and put like the basic makeup, but I haven't been anywhere to have anything timed, so alright, that's good enough. Next, I'm just going to take Sun Power bronzer by MAC and my Sonia Kashuk favorite contour brush. Okay, I'm just gonna dab that in because a little goes a long way. Not trying to go crazy. Do have 6 minutes left. I haven't even touched the eyes yet, so a little bit on my forehead just to kind of blend everything out. Okay. Just put a little bit more. Just so I'm not ghostly looking. Take a little bit down here. You know, quarantine life has got us eating too much. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit just on my nose. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. This is the NARS brush. I don't even know what the name of it. Okay, blush. Whatever's in here. What is in here? What blush is in here? I have... What is this? Ring of Saturn? Why do we even have this? It's a limited edition mineralized blush. Okay. Just gonna put that on my cheeks. A little bit on my nose because I've been liking that look lately. And 5 minutes. Crap. 5 minutes on the clock. Okay. Let me just blend this out. I'm sweating. Why am I sweating? Okay. Cool. Alright, just gonna clean up my face. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna take my Studio Careblend pressed powder in medium dark. I'm just gonna clean up this area here. Add a little bit more powder. I didn't apply powder down here or translucent powder, so I'm just gonna set my foundation down here so everything's smooth. A little bit on my forehead. All right, do I have time for brows? Do I have time for brows? Oh my god. Okay, 4 minutes. Let's try. Let's try. Okay, I'm gonna put some of my, what is this? MAC Deep Dark Brunette. Okay, and I'm gonna take, what the freak? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take, shoot, I'm dropping everything. My angled brush, some brush cleaner, because I always like to have a clean, precise brush when doing my brows. All right, okay, cool. Okay, just gonna take a little bit of that and go about my business with the brows. Shoot. Let's just do a little bit of feathering. Not necessarily filling them in anymore. I just like to create hair strokes. Okay, nothing fancy. Same thing on the other side. A little bit more product. So you can actually see the hair strokes. Okay, and then whatever's left, just add a little bit more, just a little bit more product. Usually I'll add Duraline, but ain't nobody got time right now. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. That's good enough. Have what? 2 minutes? No! Oh my god, I forgot highlighter. What the freak of nature. Ugh. This is so hard. Okay, I got this. You're fine, you're fine. Don't panic. Don't panic. Alright, I'm done. I'm done with the brows. Let me just freaking look presentable in some kind of way and apply like a freaking lip. What is in here? What is in here? Dose of Colors Warm and Fuzzy. Let's just put something on my lid. Okay, honeylove lipstick by MAC, because I like to blend colors. Okay, take my finger and put this down. Oh hell no, I cannot not do a look without putting highlighter on. Oh, let me just go back in with my face and take MAC Soft and Gentle. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Let's freaking just freaking. Oh no, I want something on my eyes. Let me just take one of these ColourPop. What are these? On the Rocks Super Shock Shadow. Oh my god. I'm just gonna apply this. I'm already messing up on my... Let's just add a little bit, because... What? Oh my god, oh my god. I thought I could do this. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Giving myself chest pains, trying to... What? 56 seconds? And I look... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let's just whatever. And pray that I have time to put something. What in the freaking hell? Okay, okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. 28, 29, 26. I like to kind of go a little faster than the actual time so I know how much time I actually have. Alright, 20 seconds, 20. Oh my god. Don't panic. Don't. 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Blend this out with my finger because ain't nobody got time anymore to look decent. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I don't even want to look at myself in the mirror right now. Let's see how I did. The only thing that looks decent are my brows and my skin, but everything else, like look at my eyeshadow. It's hella not even blended, and I had the decency to put something on my lip, but not the color I was looking for, and my mascara is not even... This was actually fun doing, but I look ridiculous. I don't know. I thought I could do this in 10 minutes. I honestly thought I could do this in 10 minutes. Boy, was I wrong. I was totally wrong. Yeah, this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys want to see from me next. I'll talk to you guys soon.